5 incredible ways meditation reshapes your brain for better living. Do you ever feel like your thoughts are running wild, making it hard to focus or enjoy the present moment? In today's fast-paced world, we often find ourselves overwhelmed by stress and anxiety. But what if there was a simple practice that could help us find inner peace and clarity amidst the chaos? Enter meditation, an ancient practice that has stood the test of time and continues to gain popularity in today's world. Meditation is more than just a relaxation technique. It's a transformative journey that can change your life in ways you never imagined. So if you're ready to discover the incredible benefits of meditation and learn how it can reshape your brain for better living, then keep watching. Get ready to unlock the secrets of this powerful practice and transform your life forever. Here are 5 incredible ways meditation reshapes your brain for better living. Number 1. Meditation increases gray matter. Our brains are incredibly complex organs that require constant care and attention to function optimally. One of the many ways we can care for our brains is through meditation. Meditation has been shown to increase gray matter in the brain. Gray matter is responsible for various essential functions, including memory, attention, decision-making, and emotional processing. As we age, our gray matter can decrease, which can lead to cognitive decline and other issues. However, studies have shown that regular meditation can help maintain and even increase gray matter in certain areas of the brain, such as the hippocampus, which is involved in memory and learning. By increasing gray matter through meditation, we can improve our cognitive abilities and overall brain health, allowing us to live better lives. This is because gray matter is essential for various functions that impact our daily lives, such as problem-solving, concentration, and emotional regulation. By preserving and increasing gray matter through meditation, we can enhance these functions and improve our ability to cope with the challenges of everyday life. Number 2. Meditation improves sleep quality. Sleep is an essential aspect of our lives that directly impacts our physical and mental well-being. However, many people struggle with sleep disorders due to various factors such as stress, anxiety, and an unhealthy lifestyle. Meditation has been proven to significantly improve sleep quality by reducing the time it takes to fall asleep, increasing the duration of sleep, and reducing the number of awakenings during the night. This is because meditation helps calm the mind and body, reducing the levels of stress hormones such as cortisol. Additionally, meditation promotes relaxation, which prepares the body for sleep. It also helps regulate the circadian rhythm, which is the natural sleep-wake cycle of the body. Studies have shown that regular meditation practice leads to deeper, more restful sleep, which can have a positive impact on overall health and well-being. Improving sleep quality through meditation can help individuals feel more energized and focused during the day, leading to better productivity and cognitive performance. Number 3. Meditation enhances self-awareness. Self-awareness is the ability to understand and recognize our emotions, thoughts, and behaviors, and how they affect ourselves and others. It is an essential aspect of personal growth and development that allows us to better understand ourselves and make positive changes in our lives. Meditation can significantly enhance self-awareness by training us to pay attention to the present moment without judgment. When we meditate, we learn to observe our thoughts and emotions without reacting to them, which allows us to become more aware of ourselves. We become better able to identify and understand our emotions and thought patterns, as well as their impact on our behavior and relationships. This increased self-awareness can lead to greater self-acceptance, emotional regulation, and personal growth. It can also help us to break negative thought patterns and develop a more positive mindset. By cultivating self-awareness through meditation, we can gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us, leading to a more fulfilling and meaningful life. Number 4. Meditation increases your tolerance to stress. Stress is an inevitable part of our lives, but chronic stress can have detrimental effects on both our mental and physical health. Fortunately, meditation can help us build a greater tolerance to stress. When we meditate regularly, we train our brains to stay focused and calm in the face of adversity. We learn to observe our thoughts and emotions without judgment or reaction, which reduces our emotional reactivity. This increased ability to stay grounded and centered can help us to approach stressful situations with more clarity and composure. Additionally, meditation can help us cultivate a sense of resilience in the face of challenging circumstances. By practicing meditation, we can develop a greater capacity to handle stress and adversity, leading to improved mental and physical health. Number 5. Meditation reduces age-related decline. Aging is a natural process that affects everyone, and it can bring with it a decline in physical and cognitive abilities. However, research suggests that meditation may help us mitigate the effects of aging and reduce age-related decline. Studies have shown that people who meditate regularly have better cognitive function and memory as they age. Meditation can help maintain the health of the brain by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, which are associated with cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's disease. Additionally, meditation can help improve sleep quality, which declines with age, leading to better cognitive performance and overall well-being. By incorporating meditation into our daily lives, we can potentially slow down the effects of aging and maintain our cognitive and physical abilities as we grow older. This can lead to a better quality of life in old age and allow us to enjoy our golden years with greater ease and grace. Meditation is a powerful tool that can help us improve our lives in countless ways. From increasing gray matter to enhancing self-awareness, improving sleep quality, increasing tolerance to stress, and reducing age-related decline. The benefits of meditation are vast and far-reaching. If you're not already meditating, now's the time to start. There are many resources available to help you get started, including guided meditation apps and online courses. With just a few minutes of practice each day, you can experience the transformative power of meditation and live a better life. So why wait? Start meditating today and unlock a better, brighter future for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, let us know your thoughts in the comments and make sure to check out our video on how does exercise affect the brain. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content. See you in the next video.